friends, welcome to Wisdom Jobs. I am Sripriya. So today I am going to tell about widely spreading disease in nowadays, which is nothing but a coronavirus disease. So how to prevent this, what are the symptoms of this, and everything regarding the coronavirus. So before watching this video, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click bell icon for upcoming notifications. So friends, coronavirus. Basically, for every virus, before they get into the testing of this virus, they'll give a name which is a scientifical based or the recognition based. So friends, for this coronavirus, they have named it as COVID, which is of 19. So this is the recognition name or the scientific name for this coronavirus. Like, how does the COVID or the coronavirus spread, and symptoms and the prevention and as well as the treatment of this coronavirus. So friends, firstly, air transmission by cough or sneeze, personal contact and contaminated objects. When a person is getting sick and when he or she will sneeze, through the air droplets or the mouth droplets of your saliva or something, or the air that you breathe and even exit from your body, that carbon dioxide and everything which is spread over in the air will get contaminated. And even the things that you touch also will get contaminated, and followed by, if you're touching the person with your disease, because it's a direct contact disease, so it can spread to the other person. Even the food that you share when you have sick from this coronavirus. When virus enter into your body, it interrupts your breathing situations. Like, firstly, it infects your throat, so that you will be continuously coughing, and even it goes directly from that pharynx and the larynx, then followed by it enters into the trachea, then into your lungs. So when it enters into the lungs, it settles down in the lungs, so that it creates a air that is nothing but your air passage problem from your lungs, which inhibits your breathing problem. So this leads to suffocated breathing or the heavy breathing. You have to take your heavy breathing, which is not normal days. Like, how do you breathe in the daily life? It will be not like that. You will be continuously try or suffer to take the highest breath or the deep breath. So to inhale as well as exhale. And then followed by, it affects your brain, which increases your temperature in your hypothalamus. That is the part of your brain which controls your body temperature. So as soon as the virus reaches there, your fever, you'll get suffering from the highest fever, like the high temperature of fever. So these all causes the fever, cough, and your breathing or the respiration problem. So this is how the infection will be, or the infection will be taking place in your body. So what are the symptoms? So as I said, it is the high fever, cough, and even headache, and the running nose and the sore throat. So as it is entering with your breathing passages, like whatever from nose, and then even your pharynx and then your lungs. So friends, through this you will be having a cold like symptoms, which are sneezing and everything, followed by fever. So these are the symptoms. Now how do you avoid this? Firstly, avoid the contact with animals and avoid crowded places. Use mask, cover mouth when coughing. So first and most important note for you all, news and even the internet and everywhere, people are advising to take mask. So firstly, you take mask for the prevention. The persons who affected should take mask, because when they will control their disease with their mask, so that only it will not spread to the other persons. And there is no use if the person who is sick is not wearing the mask and you are preventing or protecting yourself from the mask. So it's necessary, firstly, the sick people with the coronavirus, please handle the mask carefully. See, and even mask handling is a different way. So mask consists of the green side, which is a dark side or the colored side. Then in the back side you will have a white. So the first thing, the main position which you put towards you will be consisting of a small pores which doesn't allow any dust particles or the air particles towards inside to your mouth. So even the bands that you have to hang to your ear will be towards your open side, which is your white side. And if you are infecting, make sure that you will reverse it, alter the position. So green should come inside if you are sick, and if you are not sick, green should come outside. The colored pant should be outside. So this is how also there is a different procedure in when wearing mask too. So then avoid the crowded places, because we doesn't know which person is affected with the coronavirus. If he or she is coughing, as it is a direct contact to the airborne disease or even a contact disease, so it may transfer from a public place to you too. And even avoid animals. Avoid eating outside foods. Don't eat junk, because as the air is damn contaminated with the coronavirus. So coronavirus, we even still did not get a treatment for it. Only the treatment for it is to prevention. So prevention is better than care. So as it is a like well known provoking thought, make sure that you will prevent first. And if you're suffering, go as soon as, if you're suffering with the symptoms like the headache and the throat infections or the sore throat or or like a continuous sneezing or the flowing nose, go to doctor, take advice of them. And then if you're affected with that, if you're getting your taking your blood test and everything, if it is proved that you are with the coronavirus, first you cover your face with your mask, so that at least you can save other people's without getting affected within a coronavirus. So the persons who are sick first should use this mask, and the person who is not sick can use mask later on. So I hope you all got the details how this coronavirus is very dangerous. So because of this symptoms are leading to the highest thing, then it may lead to death also. So coronavirus is all the viruses, whatever the viruses, it could be human, any human viruses are really a dreadful diseases. So it's better that you really take care of it. So I hope you all got the details regarding the coronavirus. So if you like this video, please raise a thumbs up, share and comment, and also spread about these details to your friends, your family mates, whatever, your neighbors and everyone, so that they will be helpful and even they will get the knowledge of this coronavirus and they'll prevent themselves from getting diseases. Thank you for watching.